The next one is Young's double slit experiment. So what we can understand in this question, there is a source of light, yes. From this, light is coming like this in multiple directions, and there is two slits in front of it. So source we can write in the middle. This slit is S1, this slit is S2. These two slits are separated by a distance D, and because of that, whenever light rays which are coming from the source at these two slits, they will diffract, and which gives an interference pattern on a screen. This is screen, yes. And from this also we can draw like this. So this is slit 1, this is slit 2. The gap between slit 1 and slit 2 is small d. The gap between these slits to the source is capital D. So what we can understand from this explanation, we should draw the imaginary lines, and these imaginary lines have many meanings, and we should use the trigonometrical method to find out the total intensity and fringe width. So where S is source, S1 comma S2 are slits, D is the gap between slits, capital D is the gap between slits to the screen. Before that we should write capital S, screen. So capital D is the gap between slits to screen. Now, whenever these two are falling on the screen, they will create the interference pattern, and the dimensions which are related to this we are going to find now. So this is the arrangement for the Young's double slit experiment. Source, slits S1 and S2, light rays are bending at the corners of the slits and they are pointing towards the point P. This point P is located on the screen. The screen name is GG dash. So GG dash is the screen. So what we can understand, this point P2, this O line is one width, and here to here is one width. See, S1 to S2 is separated by a distance D. Now we are going to find out the fringe width. There are two triangles, S1P comma S2P. So what is this triangle? S2PQ. And one more triangle, S1PM. From these two triangles, we should apply the right angle triangles Pythagoras theorem, and we will find out the fringe width. So take the triangle S2PQ. From triangle S2PQ. What is S2P square? S2PQ. If it is a right angle triangle, what is S2P square? S2Q square plus PQ square. So what is S2Q? The screen and slits are separated by a distance D. So S2Q or S1M is equal to D. So it is D square plus PQ here to here. See, P2O is X and O2Q, here it is D by 2 and it is D by 2. So therefore OQ is equal to D by 2. So we can write PQ is equal to PO plus OQ whole square. Therefore it is D square plus X plus D by 2 whole square is equal to S2P whole square. This is equation 1. And the next one, from triangle S1PM. What is S1P square? The S1P square is nothing but, see this one, S1M square plus PM square. So what is S1M? S1M is parallel to S2Q. Nothing but the distance of the slits to the screen, nothing but D. Plus, what is PM? PO minus OM. Therefore, it is D square plus, what is P2O? X. Or we can write small x minus, what is OM? D by 2. This is S1P whole square. This is equation 2. And now we will solve these two equations by taking S2P whole square minus S1P whole square, and we will get one equation. So we got S2P whole square is equal to D square plus X plus D by 2 whole square, as well as S1P whole square is equal to D square plus X minus D by 2 whole square. Now I am finding S2P square minus S1P whole square. So it is D square plus X plus D by 2 whole square minus D square minus of D square plus X minus D by 2 whole square. So it will be D square plus, what is this one, X square plus D square by 4 plus 2dx, 2 into D by 2 into X. This one minus of D square plus, so A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2 into D by 2 into X. So the calculation is D square plus X square plus D square by 4 plus dx. This whole was simplified. It is minus D square minus X square minus D square by 4, minus into minus plus 2 to get cancelled, dx. So therefore capital D square minus D square plus X square minus X square plus D square by 4 minus D square by 4. dx plus dx is equal to 2dx. But what is the physical significance of this value? we started with S2P whole square minus S1P whole square. It is nothing but A square minus B square. So what is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. So S1P plus S2P, or we can write S2P plus S1P into S2P minus S1P is equal to 2xt. So what is this S1P plus S2P? D. S2P minus S1P is also D. So therefore S2P minus S1P is equal to 2dx by S2P plus S1P. So S2P plus S1P is equal to D plus D, 2D. Therefore S2P minus S1P is equal to 2dx by 2d, 2 get cancelled, dx by d. So what is this? S2P minus S1P is equal to dx by.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos on CBSE syllabus.